In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import deals in Pipedrive. We'll walk through the entire import process together, so by the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what to check, and how to avoid the most common mistakes when bringing deal data into your Pipedrive account. First, make sure you're logged into Pipedrive and looking at the main interface. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section where you see the three dots icon, usually labeled More. Go ahead and click that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Import Data. This is the area where Pipedrive lets you bring in information from spreadsheets or other systems. On the import page, you'll see an option to begin a new import. Click the button that says Get Started. Pipedrive will now ask what type of data you want to import. Since we're focusing on pipeline information, select Deals. This tells Pipedrive to treat every row in your file as a deal record, which can later be linked to people, organizations, and activities. Once you've chosen deals, click Next to move forward. Now it's time to bring in your spreadsheet. You can either click the Upload area to browse for your file, or simply drag and drop the spreadsheet into the window. Make sure your file is formatted clearly, with column headers like deal title, value, stage, owner, and any other custom fields you use. When the file is uploaded, a pop-up will appear. Here, click Continue with Import, and then click Next to move on to field mapping. This step is important. You'll see your spreadsheet columns on one side and Pipedrive fields on the other. Go through each column and match it to the correct Pipedrive field, so your data ends up in the right place. When everything looks correctly mapped, click Next again. You'll now get a preview of the list before it's actually imported. Use this chance to double-check that the sample records look correct. Deal titles, values, and stages should appear where you expect them. If everything seems accurate, click Next one more time. In the next window, Pipedrive will ask what to do if it finds duplicates. You can choose to merge data, which combines matching records, or create multiple records, which keeps everything separate. Pick the option that best fits your data strategy. Once you've made that choice, you're ready. Click Start Import, and Pipedrive will begin processing your deals and adding them into your pipeline.